You're welcome back to my channel. I'm Onyechi Evangeline Chioma. In today's tutorials, I'll be teaching you how to make this simple head clip. So continue watching. If you find these tutorials useful, please give it a thumbs up. Then don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. I'll be using my fabric. I have a wadding. I'll be using wadding because my fabric is very light. Then I have my candle wax gun and the wax is there already fixed, so I'll be using either Alice band, comb or clip. So I'm going to be using one of them. I don't know the one to use now. So, and I'll also be designing with this. You can decide to embellish with any other applique of your choice. So without wasting much time, let's dive into the tutorials. This is what we have today. The length of the fabric we are using measures 12 inches while the width measures 6 inches, but whichever way I'm going to fold it, and when I fold it I'll have 6 inches by 6 inches. All right, so that is what I have here, and the two fabrics are the same measurement. All right, so because this fabric is very light, I had to add gum stay to it to give it a bit of weight. All right, so if your fabric is thick, you can just proceed to what we have, but if your fabric is light, you can add wadding. All right, so now as you can see, I've already marked a circle on this other side, so I'm going to go ahead to stitch it up like that. The circle is going to guide me towards achieving the desired design. Then for this one, I'm going to stitch it like this, just like the pattern. All right, so let me go ahead and do that quickly and I'll get back to you. All right, after stitching the two fabrics, this is what I have. So I'm going to go ahead to cut out this excess, though I have already started, but I want to show you the process. So I'm going to cut it out all the way down. So next is that I'm going to open up this center. Just drag one side of it out, then make an opening there at the center. Note that the measurements depends on you. You can choose to use more than 6 inches, and you can also decide to use less than that. So whichever measurement you choose, it highly depends on you. So I'm going to turn it out and I'll repeat the same process here. All right, so after turning it inside out, this is how it looks. You can see the hole at the center and you can see the other one. So I'm going to flat iron it and I get back to you shortly. This is what I have. So I'm going to fold this just as though I'm forming a triangle. Then I can also mark that point. It will just help me while running through it. Then I do the same to this second piece of fabric. Yes, I have the middle of my fabric, so I'm going to use my needle and thread to make my running stitches from this end down to the other end. All right, so after this I'm going to join the other one to it just like that and continue the running stitches. All right, so I'm going to continue from here to form the running stitches, which will give it that bow like structure. All right, so let's continue. So if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and if you find these tutorials useful, please give it a thumbs up. All right, so this is what I have. Now I can go ahead and drag the thread from one end to the other. Okay, I'm going to make sure that the bow is well arranged. So after this, I'm going to secure my thread and cut out the excess. So I'm going to cut out the excess now. So this is it. Then after this, make sure that this part that is open are both on the same side. All right, so after you must have secured it, go ahead and cut out the excess thread. And thread, I'm going to tie it this way so that it can enable it stay one place. You understand? So after tying it, I'm going to secure the thread and cut it out. You can also get another piece of fabric and use and cover this place, but I won't be doing that. I will just cover it up with an applique or anything. So I'm done tying it, and this is what it looks like. You can see it's very firm compared to how it was before now. So I'm going to use this clip to hold it down. Okay, so but in absence of this, you can make use of comb. Let me know if I can find my comb. All right, so you can make use of this comb, or you can also make use of Alice band. So whichever one you want to make use of, then I'm going to attach it to it using this candle wax gun. So I'm going to melt it, and maybe I can use this. Which one comes out more beautiful? I think this. All right, so I'm going to be using this. So I'm going to melt it and apply. So I'm going to apply my gum here at the back. This is the back. The back is where you have the hole. Then attach it to it just like that. Then if you want to cover up with your clothes or piece of fabric, you can go ahead and cover it up. Then after that, you go ahead and embellish. All right, so that is it about this training. So thank you very much for watching this video. I really appreciate you. Bye.